If you're replacing a packaged gas unit and you're looking at Century versus American Standard, here's how I'd approach it. I've been doing HVAC work for 17 years, and before that, I was a nuclear power electrician. I'm not interested in the longer feature list. I'm interested in what I'd want sitting outside my own house. For this comparison, the Century TGR-GR series is a basic model, and the closest apples-to-apples American Standard is the Silver 1 3.4, Model 4 YCY5. Both are basic packaged gas/electric units with 81% AFUE, a single-stage compressor, single-stage gas heat, a single-stage inducer, and a standard speed blower. So right away, there's not a huge difference in the basic operating design. The first thing I'd look at is cooling efficiency. The Century is rated at 14 SEER, while the American Standard is 13.4. SEER is basically a measure of how efficiently the air conditioning side uses electricity. I wouldn't pay a huge premium for that small difference. Heating is even more straightforward. Both are rated at 81% AFUE. That means roughly 81 cents of every dollar you spend on natural gas is converted into usable heat, with the rest leaving through the exhaust. Since the heating efficiency is the same, I wouldn't give either brand an advantage here. The Century uses R410A refrigerant, while the American Standard uses R454B. R454B is one of the newer lower GWP refrigerants, being used as the industry moves away from R410A. That's relevant because you're buying equipment you're hopefully going to service for many years. The American Standard gets the nod from me on refrigerant direction simply because R454B is the newer platform. Both units also have a louvered coil design. The condenser coil is the outdoor radiator that gets rid of heat, and the louvers give it some physical protection from debris and accidental damage. That's useful protection. The warranty comparison is more interesting. Both units have a 10-year general warranty and a 20-year heat exchanger warranty. Century also shows a 1-year unit replacement guarantee, while the American Standard shows 0 years for unit replacement. If you have a qualifying major failure, unit replacement coverage can be much more meaningful than simply getting a component replaced. Installed price varies with tonnage, ductwork, electrical work, permits, and labor. If your priority is straightforward equipment, slightly better cooling efficiency, no dealer requirement, and unit replacement coverage, the Century makes a pretty good case. If you prefer the newer R454B refrigerant platform and you're comfortable buying through an authorized dealer, the American Standard Silver 13.4 is a reasonable choice. If it were my house, I'd probably lean toward the Century TGR-GR if the installed prices were reasonably close. Both are 81% AFUE, basic single-stage systems with louvered coils. Century gives me the small cooling efficiency edge and unit replacement coverage, while American Standard gives me the newer refrigerant platform.